Okay, we are going to configure the asset list using standard or extended. I had the simple topology with the two switch, switch 1 and switch 2 connect each other, and I had the 4 BC connect to the each switch. Switch is a layer 3 switch, so I set up default gateway for each BC point to the box on the switch. Okay, and about the scenario, I had the two. Scenario 1, I would like to deny the traffic from the BC1 using standards, and I apply the asset control on the box 0. Direction is in. And scenario 2, I would like deny the ping from BC3 and BC4 to BC2 using extended asset list, and apply the asset control on the box select 0 on the switch 2. Okay, for the same time, I set up the IB on the HPC already, and the default gateway on the box switch as well. Also, I set up the static ground on the each switch so the EPC can connect each other. Let me open the console and check. And I would like to ping to 10.10.10.13. Okay, can ping right. Okay, and ping to the 9. Okay, 9 and 5. Okay, so the first scenario, I would like to apply the standard asset control on the box 0 select 0 6 1 to deny traffic of PC1. Okay, so 0 6 1, and need go to the configuration mode and define the asset control list standard using IP access and follow a standard, and we can use the name or the number for defining the asset list. Use a number 99, and in under the asset list command, I can do deny or the permit, right? About the sequence number, the Cisco iOS will assign the number start from the 10 automatically, so I will ignore this sequence number because I would like to deny traffic, so I use keyword deny and follow the source IP address. And because I would like deny only one BC, so I use keyword hot and follow the IP of this hot, so 10.10.1, and I don't need the wildcard path because I use hot keyword. Okay, so if I want to log traffic or log the mask, I can use the log. Okay, so I'm done the define the asset control, and second I need to apply the asset control to the board, and direction is in, so I need to go to the interface 0 select 0, and I need to use the IB asset group and follow the IB asset list 99. Okay, so follow the direction in or out. I would like to apply in direction from BC to the switch. Okay, in. Okay, so right after I enter, the asset control will update, and now BC cannot ping the BC on in the network. You see the communication arbitrarily prohibited, right? So it means traffic blocked by asset control. Let me okay, logs in the switch 1 also so the same message, right? ICMP arbitrary unreachable to send the 10.10.10.1. Okay, how about pin from the BC3 or BC4 to the BC1? My implementation I cannot. Okay, let me show the IB. Make sure I set up the IB 10 10 10 10. Okay, cannot, right? But the message is different, right? Timeout, right? Because the BC3 send the ICMB bucket to BC1. This is the ICMB equal request. So BC1 send the reply, but in the switch 1 I select deny the swap IB. So the BC cannot receive the ICMB reply. So the BC show the message request timeout. Okay. Also in the switch head the same message. Okay, cannot detonation. Okay. And reachable send to 10.10.1. Okay. Same like in BC4, I also cannot ping 10.10. Okay. Cannot. Okay, so the scenario 1 we complete, right? With the standard ASLIC we can only apply only can define the swap IP address and cannot define the destination, cannot define UDP port or TCP port. So extended ASLIC is the another option, more flexible. So I will move to a scenario 2, and scenario 2 I will deny the ping from BC3 and BC4 to BC2. So I need define the ASLIC on the switch 2. Okay, switch 2 and so IB define brief. Okay, I define the IB and so IB route. Okay, already, right? And then I need to create one extended ASLIC. Same like the standard, I need using the IP asset list and follow the extended instead standard, and I can use the number or the name for defining the asset. So let me define the name. Okay, so under the asset extended submod, I also have some the option can use coordinate, so you keyword deny. I don't care the sequence number. So and follow the deny, we had some option, right? Okay, in my case I use ICMB protocol and follow the swap address. For example, I use I would define the 1 and 2. So I using host keyword only the one not one VC, so using hot 10.10.10 5, and down list the white mark and follow the hot and for define the BC2 10.10.10.13. Okay, and follow okay, and one more the close with the swap IP ready BC4 9. Okay, and you know in the asset control had the implicit close deny IP any. So if I want to allow another traffic from the BC3 or BC4 to the BC2, so I need define the one close permit another traffic. So the best way is permit IP any and any. And okay, so IB asset list, and you see I had the extended IB asset list deny pin and had the sequence 10 20 30 and deny ICB from this hot to the BC2 13. Okay, and one close permit IB any. Okay, now so I need to go to the interface 0 select 0 and apply the IB asset group deny pin, apply the asset control to the board and direction it out. Okay, from switch 2 to switch 1. Okay, so now right after I enter the asset control will be active. Let me pin from BC 3 to BC 2 13. Okay, cannot write, same like the message in the standard traffic blocked by the asset control list. Okay, let's ping 13. Okay, same like right. Okay, let's go back to the PC2 and I would like to try pin to the PC3 and PC4. Pin 10 10 10 and 5. So I cannot ping. It's not implementation, right? Because I only would like to deny ping from BC3 4 to BC2, but I must allow ping from BC2 to the BC3 and BC4. Okay, let's see BC1. Also cannot, right? Cannot because I apply a select on this box 0/0. Okay, so I need modify the asset control list on the switch 2 because in the switch 2 I define the asset list deny on protocol ICMP. You know, in ICMP we had the two message, right? ICMP request and ICMP reply. So if we only define ICMP and know the define the specific message request or echo, so we will deny the both direction from destination and from destination to source. Okay. So to fix this problem, I need to go to the asset control it deny pin IB asset control it sorry ethernet deny pin. Okay, and I need to modify 10 and 20 and I will type correct glow bus and in this one I had some option. You see ICMP echo and ICMP echo reply. If I only deny the ICMP echo, it means the echo request. So the asset will check the message from this source doc10 doc10 doc5 and to destination doc10 13 with the ICMP echo. If right, if correct, the asset will block. In this case, the source is the destination, source is 13 and destination is 5 and ICMP request sent from BC2 and BC3. The asset will not block because direction is in from switch 2 to switch 1 to switch 2 and from the switch 3 send back ICMP reply to switch 2 because we only deny the echo request, so asset will not deny the ICMP echo reply, so BC2 can be BC3 and BC4. Okay, so I need to define the echo, only echo. Okay, duplicate. Okay, so I need delete the close 10 and close 20. So and one more time. Okay, and then change the source in 9 and sequence number 20 and then do so IB asset list. Okay, now deny ICMP from source doc5 to hot 13 ICMP type equal. So from 9 to 13 ICMP equal. So let me try ping from BC3. I also cannot ping. Correct, right? And BC4 also cannot ping. Okay, so from BC2 I can pin BC5. Okay. Okay, let me explain one more time. Okay, we apply the equal here. So from BC3 to BC5, BC2 when we ping BC3 send here ICMB equal request. So to BC2, so when the asterisk apply in box 0, asterisk will check the message and match the bucket, match condition. So it's block the ICMB equal. But from BC2 to BC3 or BC4, the ICMB equal send into the switch 2. So switch don't have the asterisk in the in direction, so the ICMB equal can go to the BC3. When BC3 send back traffic to the BC2, we had the equal reply, right? So out to the box 0 from switch 2 to switch 1. So but in this case, the message is not equal request. This is equal reply. So the asterisk check and see the down match condition. So it doesn't block the traffic. Okay, so we can pin from BC2 to BC3. Okay. As a controlling, I think is not complexity, but need be careful when we apply the block, and best practice we need apply the asterisk on the near source as much as we can, and careful we apply because after we enter the apply the asterisk on the block, the asterisk will active after we enter, so affect to the traffic. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Hope get you like and subscribe my channel, friend. Bye bye.